Today, we have the pleasure to demonstrate how easy it is to upgrade the firmware of HPE ProLiant servers using the Smart Update Manager on a Linux system. The Smart Update Manager, also called SUM, can be downloaded for free and easily installed on Linux. In this video, we will focus on the command line interface using yum and zypper repository mode of this management tool to perform a firmware upgrade of a Red Hat Enterprise Linux server. The first part of the demo explains the preparation tasks to perform. Those tasks have to be done only once in the lifecycle of a server. Then we will execute a firmware upgrade. Web pointers are also supplied, so you can easily replicate this demo at your site. The installation of the LSB package is not mandatory, but highly recommended to facilitate the automatic configuration of the yum repositories. The information gathered by LSB will be used by the addrepo.sh script needed to automate the installation of the required yum repositories. Use the addrepo.sh script to create an HPE SUM yum repository suitable for RHEL 7. The Software Delivery Repository web page lists all yum repositories for Linux-related pages. All those repositories can be freely accessed except the firmware pack for ProLiant that requires an authentication. You need an active warranty or a support contract with HPE to be able to request a valid authentication token. The generated token will be used as a username in the yum repository configuration file. Copy and paste the token in a .repo file. Enable this repo, save the modifications, and exit. The last preliminary task is to download and install the Smart Update Manager directly from the HPE Software Delivery Repositories site. Preliminary tasks are now over, and we can start the firmware upgrade process. The first step of this upgrade process consists of downloading and installing the packages containing the new firmware sets for the specific hardware. The new firmware set is installed, HPE SUM gives the ability to perform a dry run of the upgrade process, so you can review exactly what will be performed during the real deployment. In the second step of the process, just tell HPE SUM to perform the upgrade. If you agree with the listing of what will be deployed and skipped, type the Y key. In this particular example, we are able to view the current ROM version and the one that will be installed. After accepting the upgrade process, the different components are upgraded and a reboot of the server is required for them to take effect. During the reboot process, the new ROM version is displayed as active. This tells us that the upgrade process is successful. HPE SUM supports a list command to display the firmware versions installed in the server and the ones contained in the firmware ProLiant pack. In summary, the firmware update process of HPE ProLiant servers running Linux consists of simple and straightforward steps. Visit those locations if you need more information about the Smart Update Manager.